Good morning, everybody. My name is Dr. Unni Nair from Chaitanya Eye Hospital and Research Institute, and this is my colleague, Dr. Manoj. We're here to bring live to you the inaugural broadcast of the voice of retinal imaging, as we like to call it in India, that is the Retina Imaging Congress broadcast, the RIC broadcast. So the RIC was born out of a keen interest in retinal imaging by a large group of retinal imaging specialists in India, and it has precipitated, or it has induced the formation of a wonderful congress that we conduct every year in Trivandrum, and we've already done three iterations of that. And this year we have done immensely well on the virtual platform. We've already conducted something called the Crossfire, the RIC Crossfire, where we had discussed diagnostic dilemmas and very difficult retinal imaging cases in two sessions. We discussed nearly about 10 cases in these two sessions. Um, what we've been successful in doing is bringing some of the best retinal imaging brains together and getting their views and being able to transmit their information and knowledge to the budding and upcoming retinal specialists in our country. Uh, what we promise at the RIC is to be a hard talking platform. We won't dumb down the content. It's all going to be about retinal imaging, the nuances, the basics, and everything advanced about it. In the next couple of weeks, we will be bringing to you more about retinal imaging, especially a conference called the Last Word, that we like to call it the Last Word in retinal imaging, which will be we'll be trying to bring in international faculty, national debates, and all to bring a really good conference in the next couple of months. But before that, coming to today's thing, we are launching something called the RIC broadcast, which will be a continuous education program about retinal imaging, which we hope that we will be able to propagate for a very long time to come. I'd like to hand over the stage to Dr. Manoj, who will be telling you about some of the programs that are going to come in the RIC broadcast. Dr. Manoj.
Thank you, Dr. Oni. So coming to the broadcast in proper. So basically, we'll try to have a video telecast of all the talks that has happened in the last two RICs. So video clips of these talks will be relayed. This will be uploaded every week, one talk every week, and then if there are queries that can be answered, we'll have a team which will try and answer these questions, and not only the speaker, but also we'll have a team which could answer these questions and give you more inputs. We'll also have a segment called Master Speak, which will be coming up soon. So here, this is an all idea where what we have done is we would give a specific topic to a senior, an expert, who would speak to us on that topic for 3 to 5 minutes. So it will be just you'll just hear an audio clip on that topic. So that will again be relayed along with the video talk subsequently. And the third thing that we plan to have is something called Image Nation. It's basically a pun on the word imagination. So here, what we will try and do is to put up images, interesting images, and probably specific questions related to these images will be asked, and there can be a live discussion on these. This all this will be in the same platform. So this is basically the three things that we plan to have. I would like to encourage all of you to visit the platform and then learn. And I think we can share your inputs, and I think it can be a great learning process for all of us. Thank you.
So, Dr. Manoj has talked to you about some of the parts of the RIC broadcast, and all I have to say is that it's a good concept that we can make it into a great initiative by your participation. We'd love to have you. We love you putting in your comments about it. We love your suggestions as to how we can improve it over time. And all I can say is that we'll end by saying, "Viva retinal imaging! Long live retinal imaging!" Thank you.